Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Take two. I did an unboxing for the Pixel Buds Pro 2. Unfortunately, my microphone wasn't set up, so it's no audio. So anyways, I've loved Pixel Buds. I have the originals. I have the Pixel Buds 1. I have the Pixel Buds Pro, which I use every single day. And now there's a Pixel Buds Pro 2, which is kind of cool because, I mean, if you look at the old originals, I liked these little loop thingies they had on them. Those were great. I actually liked the cord around it. When we go to the Pixel Buds 1, they have these little hook dealies. Those really saved your butt by staying in your ear. Going to the Pixel Buds Pro, these have don't have those little hooky thingies, but amazing sound quality and amazing noise canceling. So, I mean, I'm excited to see how these will do in the new models. So the new model, not only did I figure out it actually fits in the same leather case that I have from these other Nomad cases back in the day. Looks exactly the same. That's why I'm going to make sure I get the right case so I know what they look like, because they look exactly the same in the boxes and everything. But the earbuds themselves are just slightly smaller, so I'm a little concerned about that. But they have this little nubby thingy to help stay in your ear, so I'm excited to see how that helps. And I mean, I've never had a concern issue with the Pixel Buds Pro. These being smaller make me a little concerned, especially when you consider that these Pixel Buds Pro 2 are now worth $2.99 Canadian. And when you look at the box, there's nothing in the box outside of the extra little cup thingies for those things. So there's no extra cord charger, whatever for it, which kind of makes sense. I mean, if you've already bought a phone to connect with them, you got a cord and connector for this. So, and plus, so I mean, it should make sense. You should already, how would you not have a charger for this already if you have something you're going to connect it to? But $2.99 is a little steep in the terms of prices, considering there's so many cheaper options. So I'm going to review it for the next couple of days. I been trying to bike, scooter into work every day I can, and I can't do that without having music. So I will have this on, and I'll let you know what I think after a couple of days. All right, everybody. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.